Well, good night all. So it's late. Came home late from running around. And family's hungry, so I'm going to whip up a quick little pasta. So I'm going to do a little slight tutorial tonight. So the ingredients that you'll need is some cooked pasta. Some seasoning, which is some sole seasoning, some hot pepper, some black pepper, salt and garlic powder is in this bowl. And then in this bowl I have some Italian seasoning, some whole oregano, and some basil. You'll also need some ragu classic Alfredo, some sweet pepper cut up, some garlic, a little piece of diced tomatoes, and to kick it up a notch I went ahead and made some bacon and cut it up real fine. And I'm going to come back and show you how I whip up a quick pasta dish to go with some chicken or fish or whatever it is you want to eat it with. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So in this pot here I have some olive oil, maybe about, I want to say about 2 tablespoons of olive oil that I put in a pot to heat. On a low heat. I didn't want it really high because I don't want it to burn up my onion. Oh, by the way, in the last video I forgot to mention that I did, and I almost forgot to add it too. I cut up a little bit of onions. You can see it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and toss in all the ingredients that I showed you in the last video, which is the sweet pepper, onion, garlic, and the bacon that I had fried and cut up. And I don't know if I mentioned tomatoes. But just saute that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the seasonings in. And I'm just going to let that saute until the onions are julienne or till they're transparent, and then I'll come back and show you when I add in the sauce and the noodles. Stay tuned. Okay, so here I am back again with the last and final part to this pasta dish. It's very quick, very simple. Some of the ingredients were already purchased, like the Alfredo sauce I did not make from scratch, which made my job a lot easier. And I added in some nice fresh ingredients to make it taste good and to kick it up a notch. And I'm going to go ahead now. This is the sauce. It's been on the stove simmering. Now, as you can see, the bubbles and stuff is in it. That's the Alfredo sauce that I've added into the seasoning that I had cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add in my penne pasta. And I'm just going to kind of like fold the sauce into it. Take my time and fold the sauce in, and then I'll turn down the fire and let it just kind of like finish cooking on its own for about the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then that's it. And I'll come back and I'll show you a picture of the finished pasta. So you just make sure all of the pasta is covered in sauce. Okay? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Quick pasta.